What the hell? Where's Truck? I'm not dreaming this, am I?
Did someone from the shops come to pick it up for service?
We didn't have an order in, and we'd have to sign it out anyway. It's gone.
We circled the block. Nothing.
Is there any way this is just some kind of prank?
That would be pretty hardcore.
Guys?
But is that Severide's phone?
Yes.
The last time that we talked, he said he was coming out here to clean equipment.
Yeah, he was working on the chainsaw right before I went to bed.
So you were the last one that saw him?
I guess so.
I'm calling PD. I'm gonna check for meds in the ambo.
How much further is it? We're almost there. Let's make this quick. Kill the radio. Copy. See you at the drop. Stay off the highway.
Yeah, I know the route.